Is my camera crooked? It looked lopsided. I gotta fix it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe before you leave, and I will stop talking and we'll jump into it. Listen, I'm getting beatsbydebcosmetics. Like, I did a big order and I'm waiting for it to come in the mail, and I just gotta tell y'all, wait on that. Wait on that. While you're here, make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, linked right here. Hopefully I got a TikTok playing somewhere in the background. Your girl do be a little fire with a transition though. Anyway, okay, gotta go. I'm hungry. I'm always hungry. If you didn't know, now you know. Yeah, goodbye. Oh, this is awkward. It didn't turn off. Okay, y'all, so listen, today's video, I am still figuring out what look I want to do. I just got my lashes done, so you know, when your girl get her lashes done, it's over with for the looks. I also have 2 other videos that I need to edit. This will be my 3rd content coming in for you, baby. Stay tuned. I don't know. I don't really know what I want to do. I guess I'll figure it out and come back. Sounds like a plan. Yeah. Now look, don't play with me. I was literally all energetic, and then my resting bee phase, you know, we are a family friendly channel over here, come into play, and I looks on me. But anyway, I'm taking the Maybelline Hydro Plus Smooth Primer and the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and I just, you know, blend that on out. Then I look confused. I literally, I was cutting these eyeshadow pads. I have them linked down below, child. I don't know why I thought it was smart to use these, and I just got my lashes done and just had pads on my eyes. Like, yeah, highly don't recommend if you just got lashes. Otherwise, it's cool. Okay, so for base, I'm using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumour 5. I already did my eyebrows off camera, nothing special about that. Now I'm just blending out the eyeshadow base. It's definitely essential if you want your eyeshadow to pop. You heard it here first, baby. And I'm not talking about concealer. Actually buy some eyeshadow base. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the Star shade in the Anastasia Moonlight Glow Kit palette. It's literally highlighter, but you know, the shades are too light for me, so I was like, I'm gonna just make it work. Anyway, now I'm taking the Welcome to the Dark Side, or sorry, it's called Taking You to the Dark Side P. Louise base, and I'm just gonna try to carve out the look that I want. I did it off camera. Yeah, it took me a little minute. I was like, I don't know what I want to do, but all I'm doing is carving out like a wing, but I wanted to kind of connect. I don't know how to explain it, but y'all can see it. Once I filled everything in, I took the Spooky shade in the James Charles and Morphe collection eyeshadow palette. I just basically took a small, very tiny brush and I packed that black on there, okay? Because it wasn't about to be moving for me. True enough, I only did this and took it right off when I got done. But still, if I was going somewhere, I would have did it the same way. Anyway, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take the Duo, what am I using? Oh, I'm using Duo Black Glue. It's lash glue, y'all. Listen, that thing dries so fast. Anyway, I keep saying anyway, I gotta stop saying that. So, for pearls, these are off Amazon. I will have them linked in the description below. I should have used smaller ones. Basically, I just dotted along the, I guess, eyeshadow line, and I literally got this little tool from Amazon too. I'll link that below if anybody wants it. If I end up not linking it, just call me out and I'll slide it to you, don't worry. But I'm just basically putting those on, pressing them down firmly and getting it going, because Without these, that look was who. For primer, I literally never use anything else. I'm terrible, but if something worked, it just worked. I'm going in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. It's a dupe for the Hydro Grip Primer by a brand called Milk Makeup, and this is literally $10 versus the other one I think is like 30 or 40, and I like this one better. I've tried both. And now I'm just taking the NC45 matte concealer, the one that's in like the concealer tube and not a jar. Then I went in with the Nutmeg NYX HD photogenic concealer. Yeah, that's it. And I'm just basically, it's kind of my skin tone but not, so I just I covered up the areas where I had like discoloration, pimples, stuff like that. I waited a little bit, let it get a little tacky, and now I'm just blending it out with a small brush. So I let my concealer get a little tacky, then I just went in with a small blending brush. You can honestly use any eyeshadow brush you have that is clean, preferably, so that you know you don't have different colors on your eyes, obviously. But I let it get tacky, blended that out. Now I'm just taking the Pretty Fresh, I don't even know what shade this is, but it'll be linked down below, and that is by ColourPop, and I'm just blending that thing on out, getting that contour together, honey. Honestly, I be putting in the full routine, full glam, but I be using the same products. Listen, your girl trying to save some money. But honestly, everything I use is very affordable. I'm gonna buy some more makeup, but anyway, until then, I'm using the Maybelline Dewy Plus Smooth Foundation in Toffee. That's my go-to. There's the Beauty Blender. Get that thing smoothed out. And also, it's really good because, like, if you put too much product, it'll suck it right on up as long as you wet it. Some people don't, but you need to wet that thing. I tried it today without wetting my Beauty Blender. What? My beauty... I can't even... Okay. Just forget it. Anyway, I'm going in with a One Size Beauty translucent powder, and I'm just going to set my whole face and get that together, baby, because I don't like to look oily. I have dry skin with my T-zone, from my eyebrows to my nose to the under my eyes. Whew. Setting spray, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the Morphe setting spray. I covered up my eyes because it's wet and I didn't want, like, you know, a whole thing going on. Amazon messaging me talking about I got my refund. That's rude. I am trying to do my voiceover. Dang. Anyway, what's the next step? I don't even... Oh, blush. Listen, let me tell you. I'm going to rave about this blush until the day that I die. Listen, it's the Maybelline... Is this the Kiss? No, this is So Cosmo. This is the So Cosmo ColourPop blush, serum blush at that. I have like all 5 of their shades. Fire. They have some for fair skin, medium skin tone, and dark skin tone. I would definitely recommend trying them out. Now I'm just putting in my moles, which is literally me putting eyeliner on top of my pimples. Cause your girl, under illusion, baby. Anyway, and now I'm using the same Anastasia Moonlight Glow Kit palette as highlighter. At first, I thought it was gonna look a mess, but then it ended up looking cute, and I used this purple shade. What is it called? It's called the Blue Moon shade. And, you know, I made it do what it do, baby. Child, then my mama came home and was talking to me, so, you know, that's why I'm making these faces. We were talking about something. But I'm taking the NYX brown eyeliner, not lip liner, but eyeliner. And I'm taking this discontinued, because I was going to say, is it discontinued? But it is. Someone I know, we won't say any names. She won't come back out with any freaking more makeup products. But either way, yeah, I'm sorry for the lip combo. That's Fenty though. I used Fussy Gloss Bomb and Hot Chocolate Gloss Bomb. I can at least give y'all those 3 out of the 4 lip combo products. I'm sorry, okay? But going forward, I do have products for my lip combo that you guys can use. Because sometimes, you know, I just have my go-tos. But I did buy some more makeup, actually. I'm talking about I need to buy some more. I did buy some. What am I talking about? For mascara, I'm taking the Volumunious Original L'Oreal Mascara in the darkest black. Is it given or? I think it's given. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for tuning in. And I will see y'all in my next video. Make sure y'all stay tuned. This is so cute.